Hello everyone, welcome to the 14th section of this course. In this section I wanted to teach fast image rendering and animation. Before we start rendering, I made some changes to the texture, changes in wrinkles such as the color and opacity. As you can see, it has become a little darker and I reduced the opacity so that it can be seen better. And I reduced the scratches and paleness. And I reduced the opacity of the stitch so that it can be seen better. And I made the logo a little bigger and changes in wrinkles. You can see that new wrinkles have been added in this part. And I added some dust for the edges of the spider web. You can make changes as you like. You can use different references. You don't have to do like me. You can add any changes or textures you want. Choose any of these textures that you like. Practice and don't worry about your mistakes and know that it is through practice and repetition that you learn. Okay, finished. Export now. Of course, I already did this and I don't need to export now. Okay. I have imported both old and new models and you can see the difference. Okay, I will start rendering from this model. From here you can choose the camera you want to render with. And you can add a new camera. After you have selected the camera and camera angle from here render, you can also choose it from here. And image, here you can specify the address and image quality settings. After you have specified the image format and quality, from render camera, select the camera you want to render with. I choose camera 13 and I will add camera 13. Enable only the cameras that you want to render with. Okay, you can render now. Well, as you can see, quality renderings have been taken. You can add the lights and the cameras and the render as you want. The rest of the rendering are in the project file. You can see them there. And in the next step, I wanted to teach how to render animation. From here, and select the model you want to animate. Okay, choose the model here, transform, rotation, select rotation. The first step is to add a keyframe and take the side scrolling to the end. Enable rotation snapping to have better control over model rotation and rotate the model to the direction you want. And finally add a keyframe. Okay, finished. Place. To increase speed or decrease time, drag the keyframe back. Place. From here, you can increase or decrease the speed. Change the settings as you like. Place. And from here, you can increase and decrease FPS and time. No, it is set to 30 seconds. You can increase or decrease it. Okay. After you specify the rendering settings, here you can specify save location and video quality settings. And choose the camera you want. And the render video. Well, you can see the video rendering result. As you can see, the result of texturing is very high quality. Okay, the 14th section is finished. Thanks for watching. Good luck.